We live in a world where it's very easy to get caught up in the rat race, striving endlessly for that elusive pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. But what if I told you that the true path to riches is paved not with luck or privilege, but with a single, often overlooked financial literacy? As the famous author T. Harv Eker puts it, money is a tool. It's not inherently good or bad. It's what people do with it that matters. But in a world saturated with get-rich-quick schemes and lottery dreams, how can you be sure that you're on the right path? That you're not merely chasing shadows? This video will help you find the answers you seek. We'll explore the untold realities of wealth creation and the secrets of true financial freedom. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to level up your financial game, we've got you covered. So buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey that will change the way you think about money forever. Question 1. Who are the truly rich? Before we delve deeper, let's pause and ask ourselves, who are the truly rich? Is it the celebrity chef flaunting his latest multi-million-dollar mansion? Or is it the tech billionaire always topping the Forbes list? While these individuals undoubtedly enjoy lavish lifestyles, true wealth goes beyond material possessions and public image. True wealth lies in financial security, freedom, and the ability to live life on your own terms. The truly rich are those who have mastered the art of managing their finances, who understand the intricacies of investments, who have planned for the unexpected, and who are not defined by their income or their net worth. Number 2, what do you think is the real secret to true financial freedom? Now that we have a clear understanding of who the truly rich are, it's time to tackle the million-dollar question, no pun intended. What do you think is the real secret to true financial freedom? Is it having a high-paying job, having a big inheritance, being in the right place at the right time, or simply understanding the power of financial literacy? In today's society, it's easy to buy into the allure of quick fixes, to subscribe to the belief that winning the lottery or marrying into a wealthy family is the shortcut to financial freedom. But the reality is far more nuanced. 3. How much money do you need to be financially free? The amount of money required to achieve financial freedom varies greatly depending on individual circumstances and goals. However, as a general rule of thumb, many financial experts suggest that having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up in an emergency fund is a good starting point. This provides a safety net in case of unexpected job loss or medical expenses, allowing you to focus on longer-term financial planning without the stress of immediate concerns. For example, if your monthly expenses are $4,000, having between $12,000 and $24,000 readily accessible in your emergency fund can provide peace of mind. But remember, everyone's situation is unique. Some may need more or less based on their individual circumstances. The key is to determine a comfortable number that aligns with your financial obligations and risk tolerance. Number 4, can anyone become financially free? Absolutely anyone can become financially free. It doesn't matter where you start from or what obstacles you may face. With the right mindset, determination, and financial literacy, anyone can pave the path to financial freedom. Remember, it's not about your starting point, but about your willingness to learn, adapt, and persevere. No. 5. The power of financial literacy. In today's society, financial literacy is often overlooked, yet it is the cornerstone of financial freedom. Understanding how money works, including concepts like budgeting, saving, investing, and retirement planning, is crucial for everyone regardless of their income level. Financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions about your money, avoid debt traps, and secure your future. Fortunately, financial literacy is a skill that can be developed. Start by educating yourself through books, podcasts, courses, or even by talking to financial advisors. Knowledge is the first step towards taking control of your financial destiny. Number 6, the importance of setting financial goals. Setting financial goals is essential for anyone looking to achieve financial freedom. By establishing clear, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound financial goals, you give yourself direction and motivation. These goals may include paying off debt, saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business. Writing down your goals helps you stay focused and accountable. Regularly review and adjust your goals as needed to align with your evolving circumstances and priorities. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination, and setting goals is the compass that guides you along the way. 7. Strategies for achieving financial freedom. There are several strategies you can employ to move towards financial freedom. Firstly, consider diversifying your income streams. Don't rely solely on your day job. Explore freelancing, side hustles, or passive income sources to boost your earnings potential. Secondly, adopt a frugal mindset. Track your expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and live below your means. Thirdly, prioritize saving and investing. Automate your savings to ensure consistency. Invest your savings wisely, considering factors like risk tolerance and long-term goals. Lastly, continuously educate yourself about personal finance. Stay updated with market trends, investment opportunities, and financial planning strategies. By implementing these strategies and remaining adaptable, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial freedom. 8. Common mistakes to avoid on the path to financial freedom. Avoiding common mistakes is just as important as implementing strategies for achieving financial freedom. Here are some key mistakes to steer clear of. Firstly, emotional spending. Don't let your emotions dictate your financial decisions. Create a budget and stick to it. Secondly, impulsive investing. Avoid making hasty investment choices. Do your research, seek professional advice, and consider long-term growth. Thirdly, ignoring taxes. Stay informed about tax regulations and consult with a tax professional to optimize your financial planning. Fourthly, lifestyle inflation. Resist the urge to drastically increase your lifestyle as your income grows. Maintain financial discipline and continue saving and investing. Lastly, procrastination. Don't delay your financial planning and goal setting. Start now. Even small steps taken today can lead to significant progress over time. Remember, avoiding these common pitfalls can pave the way for a more secure and prosperous financial future. 9. Building wealth gradually. Building wealth gradually is a sustainable approach that prioritizes financial stability and long-term growth. This involves creating a budget, tracking expenses, and living within your means. By reducing unnecessary expenditures, you can redirect those funds towards savings and investments. Consider investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the market over time. This strategy allows you to benefit from market fluctuations without taking excessive risks. Additionally, explore ways to increase your income, such as acquiring new skills or starting a side hustle. Diversify your income sources to create a safety net and enhance your financial resilience. By adopting this gradual approach, you can steadily build your wealth while mitigating risks and ensuring long-term financial success. Number 10, long-term planning for financial security. Long-term planning is fundamental for achieving financial security. Take the time to assess your financial goals, such as retirement, buying a home, or funding your children's education. Determine how much you need to save and invest to reach those goals. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to develop a comprehensive plan tailored to your circumstances. Regularly review and adjust your plan as your goals or life circumstances change. By planning ahead, you can make informed financial decisions and stay on track toward securing your long-term financial well-being. And there you have it, folks. The true secret to financial freedom lies not in shortcuts or luck, but in the often underappreciated realm of financial literacy. Remember, the amount of money you have today doesn't define your future. It's your mindset, your actions, and your commitment to learning that shape your financial destiny. Embrace the journey, stay committed, and let knowledge be your guide on the path to true financial freedom. And hey, before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We've got loads of insightful content coming your way. Thanks for joining me on this eye-opening journey. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep believing in your financial journey. Your time will come. See you in the next video.